Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find someone on TikTok by phone number. First step is open your TikTok app on your mobile. Then go to your profile. Is the bottom right corner. Tap on the plus icon. It's in the left top corner. Next step is click on the find contacts. Contact and finds. Tap here. Select the OK option to get all your contacts synchronized to TikTok. You will find profile of said phone number. You can also follow or invite them. For this method to work, you must need to add your number to your account if not already added. Besides that, the user you are searching for must have their contact number linked to TikTok.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.